In this guide, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Valorant quickly and correctly. The process is simple, but it's important to follow every step so the game fully removes without errors. Sometimes the Riot client keeps running in the background, and that alone can prevent Valorant from uninstalling. So let's make sure everything is properly closed before we start. If the Riot client is open on your desktop, go ahead and close it. Many users think clicking the X is enough, but the launcher often continues running in the background. Head down to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and click the arrow to view hidden icons. You should see the Riot Client logo there. Right-click it and choose Exit. This step is essential because if the client stays active, Windows won't allow you to uninstall the game. Next, it's a good idea to double-check through Task Manager. Right-click an empty space on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Use the search bar at the top and type Riot. If anything related to Riot Client appears, select it and click End Task. Doing this ensures the app is completely shut down with no lingering processes that could interrupt the removal. Now that Riot Client is fully closed, you're ready to uninstall Valorant. Click on the search bar in your taskbar and type Remove Programs. Open Add or Remove Programs from the results. Once the window loads, scroll or use the search box to type Valorant. When it appears, click the three dots to the right and select Uninstall. Windows will show a confirmation message explaining that the app and all related data will be removed. Click Uninstall again to proceed. If everything was closed correctly, you'll see a small Riot window confirming that Valorant has been removed. When it shows Uninstall Successful, click Done. The game should now be gone completely. Search for Valorant again in your installed apps to confirm it no longer appears. That's the full process. It's straightforward, but closing the Riot client fully is what makes all the difference. Once the game is gone, you've cleared up disk space and removed Riot Vanguard as well, which can help if you're troubleshooting performance issues, switching games, or planning to reinstall later. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to support the channel by liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the uninstall process smooth and stress-free.